Hey cooks, we're going to test out the Pinsoon Air Fryer by making some stuffed zucchini. It's got sausage and mushroom with a little bit of pasta sauce. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm Amy and I'm on a mission to become a better cook. Hit the subscribe button below to join me. Now, let's try out this Pinsoon Air Fryer by making stuffed zucchini. So this video is sponsored by Pinsoon. This is their 3.7 quart air fryer. I think it's a cute little air fryer, perfect for one or two people. Great to sit on the back of your counter because it's nice and compact, has a very simple menu, and perfect for reheating things instead of using the microwave. If you want to take a look at this air fryer, I'll put a link down in the description. I just want to thank Pinsoon for sending this to us, and we're going to have fun trying it out on my stuffed zucchini. So let's get to stuffing. Okay, the very first thing is we're going to make our stuffing. So I have some cooked sausage. Me and Eric made a little bit of sausage and mushroom omelet this morning. And I just made a little bit extra because I knew I was going to make these. So you can use any kind of ground meat. You can use beef, you can use turkey, chicken. I just have some sausage. Also have some mushroom. Whoops. I have some mushroom that I had sauteed up along with that. So just cut it into, little pieces like this so it's able to stuff in there. So I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of our favorite pasta sauce. Whatever your favorite is, use that, right? If it's homemade, use homemade. If it's jar, use it from the jar. I also have a little bit of granulated garlic, and I have a little bit of Italian seasoning. This is my favorite from Penzeys. It's called Tuscan Sunset. It's fabulous. So we're going to go ahead and mix that together. And you just want this meat coated a little bit with the sauce. You don't want it like super saucy. So for this amount, we just needed a couple tablespoons of the sauce. So let's prep the zucchini. Okay, I have some zucchini here and I have them all washed up. I'm just going to take off these ends, and I kind of want some, you can just cut these in half. I kind of want some deep zucchini boats. So I'm going to cut them like this. Yay! We're going to have deep boats. And we're just going to take a spoon and we're going to scoop this center part out. You can use this inside part if you're going to make some zucchini bread. Just chop it up and put it in there so you don't waste it. Ooh, so we got our zucchini all hollowed out, and then we do it on the rest of these too. Okay, we're going to stuff the zucchinis. And I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil and brush it on the zucchinis. I don't know. It's just to keep them from like drying out. Yum. They look good already. Ew. And let's stuff. Stuffy wuffy. Now you can top these with cheese. I'm not going to because I'm allergic to dairy. Eric likes cheese. The only problem is if I put one of him with cheese, it'll get on the other ones. And I definitely cannot have it.
Because he wants friends.
So Boo's gonna have to tough it out, cheese free. You'll be all right. It'll be so good you won't even notice it. Look at that, guys. You can salt and pepper. I didn't salt and pepper the zucchini, so let me do that a little bit. I don't want to do too much because that pasta sauce has got salt in it. So we're just gonna do that. So let's get these babies in the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna put our zucchini into the basket of the air fryer. Yum. Sweet. I didn't cut the bottom, so they'll totally stand up straight. Woo. Okay. Looking good, so let's fire up the air fryer. Okay, we got our air fryer basket going into the air fryer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn this on. I got a little reflection from the light, but we're going to turn that on. I'm going to set this to like 350, and we're going to start this off at about 20 minutes. Actually, I'm going to put it up to 25 just so it'll preheat, and halfway through, we'll check them. So these really only took 15 minutes, which surprised me. I put them in there for 20, and I really thought it was going to take 20 minutes. So they're looking pretty nifty. Nifty! Let me go ahead and take these out of here carefully. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. And look at those. Those look fantastic, guys. And I'm going to take one of these, and we're going to give this a little tasty. Smells fantastic. And they look fantastic. Let's see. Let's get a little bite here. Wow. Looks amazing. Woo! It tastes amazing. The 15 minutes was perfect. The zucchini is still, it's softened, but it's still like crisp tender. It's really good.
So it didn't turn to zucchini until rubber then?
I didn't overcook it, where it was super soft. It's delicious.
How's the flavor?
Really, really good. You see, I keep eating it.
Yeah, you're not telling us anything. You say, oh, this is good. What's it taste like?
It's too good.
Can you taste zucchini plus all that
You can
stuff?
taste sausage, you can taste mushrooms, little tomato. The zucchini is nice and crisp tender. It's outstanding. The Pinsoon did a fabulous job. It cooked actually faster than I thought it would. Because I've done these in the oven, it's like 30, 35 minutes. It was 15 minutes in this. So you could stuff this with anything. You could even have leftover egg from omelets and stick it in here. Taco meat, anything you can carry over to the next day and have another meal just by grabbing a couple zucchinis and hoeing these babies out and air frying them. Really, really good. Really savory, but not super heavy because there's no, there's not a lot of bread. Really, really outstanding. So I give the Pinsoon Air Fryer thumbs up. I get the stuffed zucchini thumbs up. It's fantastic. Once again, thank you Pinsoon for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to take a look at this air fryer, there'll be a link down in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe below, Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. Facebook group is facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Woo, where's my fork? Really, really good. Thanks, Pinsoon.
Ooh. Ah.
Bye.